Thank you for following this tutorial on how to enroll basic authentication screens with Internet Explorer, Edge, Firefox, and Google Chrome. For the SSO to be performed on all your browsers, note that detection of the window must be done through Internet Explorer. In this tutorial, I will be adding the Evidian customer care to my single sign-on solution. In the SSO Studio, create a technical definition for your application. So name your technical definition, create a new window for this new technical definition. I'll use a standard login window type for my application. In the Detection tab of the SSO Studio, check the Detect by Window title and modify to Contain, and delete Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Otherwise, with Chrome or Firefox, the page will not be detected. Moreover, you might want to consider adding a variable URL detection. Detect the user ID and password fields. Specify the action performed by the SSO once the fields have been filled by the SSO. Save your technical definition. Create the application in the administration console. For more information on onboarding of an application, I recommend to watch the tutorial on how to add a web page to your SSO solution. Once you have added your technical definition using Internet Explorer, it will also be detected on Edge, with no additional action to perform. I've added my customer care as an application in my SSO, so I'll test to see if it works. The SSO is performed on Internet Explorer. In order for the solution to detect the web page on Google Chrome, some configuration is required. Locally, on each workstation, download the Chrome extension. This should be done by the end user. Globally, you must add a registry key under this path. In order to apply the extension to all workstations of the domain, you should indicate the URL to download the extension in the Group Policy Management on your Windows server. For more information on the Google Chrome extension, please refer to the Enterprise SSO Administrator Guide named the Google Chrome extension. To see if the detection works properly on Google Chrome, I'll test my application, and the SSO is performed. In order to grant detection capabilities for Firefox locally on the workstation, download the XPI file. So follow this link. To add this extension globally, indicate the URL to download the extension in the Group Policy Management of your domain controller. This should create a new registry key under this path. With the extension added either locally or globally, I'll now test my application on Firefox, and the SSO is performed. Thank you for following this tutorial. You now know how to allow detection of windows on different browsers in order to add applications to your SSO environment.